Hey everyone, welcome back to MCUX. A massive storyline rumor for Avengers Doomsday has just surfaced, and if it is true, this could be one of the darkest and most ambitious stories the MCU has ever told. According to leak, Doom's ultimate plan is to survive the end of everything and forge his own new world. He discovers that Earth 616 is held together by two anchor beings, Tony Stark, who is already dead, and Peter Parker, who is still alive. Doom wants to collapse the timeline faster, and to do that, he sends an army of Doombots to eliminate Peter, the last remaining pillar of 616. And this plot ties directly into Spider Man Brand New Day. And with the film's delay, Marvel plans to integrate Tom's Peter Parker even deeper, building a powerful emotional parallel between him and the memory of Tony Stark that Doom carries. Doom is not just attacking timelines randomly, his strikes are strategic, hitting the very core of the multiverse. He then travels to the reality where Monica Rambeau is trapped, the one rumored to be home to the X-Men, and targets their anchor, Charles Xavier. Doom leads a full-scale assault on the X-Mansion using Sentinels, unleashing chaos in a universe that was never prepared for a threat like him. Back in 616, Doom witnesses the raw, unstable power of the Sentry. Instead of destroying him, Doom decides to weaponize him, turning Sentry into a living energy source to fuel his new world. But there is one more piece he needs: Wanda Maximoff. Doom learns that the 616 version of Wanda is the most powerful Scarlet Witch in the multiverse, and he plans to bring her back from the dead. And here is where Fantastic Four first steps connect. At the end of the film, Sue Storm dies, but Franklin Richards brings her back to life with a touch. That resurrection ability becomes the final key to Doom's plan. He intends to use Franklin's power to revive Wanda and bend her to his will, reshaping reality itself. And finally, Doom's last move takes him to Loki. Whether it's for TVS secret, he who remains knowledge, or control over the multiverse itself, Doom's path ends where time began. If even half of this rumor turns out to be true, Avengers Doomsday could mark the most terrifying rise of any villain the MCU has ever seen. So hit that subscribe button and stay locked into MCU X because the age of Doom might be closer than we think.